Hello, my name is Damar Hanggoro. This is how use Mockup in Photoshop. Enjoy. First, research. First, do a little Google search. Search around until you find one that is free and what are you looking for. Make sure it is free for personal use. Because I already have, then go to the next step. Open the document. Once you download the mockup of your choice, then you can get started. Open the document and there will be various layers. Third, edit the smart object. Double click on the layer and it will open up a new document with the file extension .psb, which is a smart object. This is where you can replace your design. Find a picture, replace the design, and then close the tab. Fourth, save the file. Then, go back to the original document. If you go back to the mockup file, you will see it populate with your new design. How cool is that? Repeat for other side. You can repeat the same thing for the other side of the t-shirt. Just double click on the other layer. When you are finished, it will look something like this. Please note, it looks so much more professional than just displaying the design by themselves. It helps give a feel for how the design will look if it were print. Plus, you can save it as a PNG, CPG, or PSD file.